Hello and welcome to another TechHub.training solution video. This is the solution video for challenge 246, Orion Tech Solutions, and this is a ChatGPT challenge. So in this challenge, you're posed as a financial analyst for Orion Tech Solutions. They are a mid-sized technology company that is finalizing their year-end financial statements before an external audit. And you have a task to reconcile the income statement and cash flow statement to make sure that they're accurate before submitting them for the audit. Well, while doing this, you notice that there's a $25,000 discrepancy between net income on the income statement and the cash flow from operating activities on the cash flow statement. No matter how small these inconsistencies are, you should raise concerns about financial integrity and internal controls. So your manager needs you to explain immediately this problem so that corrective measures can be made and taken before the financial statements are submitted. So your job is to use ChatGPT to help solve this problem and write a memo to your manager. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing I did is I wanted to give ChatGPT as much knowledge about the situation as possible. So I copied and pasted in the entire challenge description as my very first prompt so that it has as much information as possible about revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, depreciation expense, and your net income. So now that it has all of this information, it immediately provided me with a possible solution, although not one that I really was interested in. But it did give me some ideas to start flowing through in my brain. So you can see that there are a couple of things that it could do. So then I wanted to know, what are some possible reasons for this $25,000 being missing? And it gave me a couple options. It could be accrual accounting errors, right? It could be overstated or misclassified expenses. Could be a tax provision misstatement. Also one-time adjustments or write-offs, things that didn't get put in. And then it could also just be that your internal team is not doing their job the way they need to be. So I thought, well, the accrual accounting error seems most likely. So what are specifically some of these errors and how do they happen? So then it helped to explain to me that there are a bunch of different accrued expense errors that could happen, like being in the wrong period, something that was already paid but gets listed as a duplicate expense, and then something that's possibly missed, and then it's got different accounts that it could possibly be in, and prepaid information too as well. So this was really beneficial. So once I saw that, I thought, I think it was most likely a revenue accrual. So then it helped me describe that. And then what I need is I need a memo from my manager because I think this is a revenue error. So I typed in the following prompt. I wanted a professional memo for my manager on A, what caused the discrepancy, B, how it could potentially be solved, and then C, how an accounting analyst should handle similar problems in the future. So it wrote me this memo, which is great. And that's my memo. And there is your solution to this challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed it.